Hi, this is Evan from I'm Gadget Man. Just received the Barnes & Noble Nook today. Really excited. I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. There it is, Nook 1. Pretty excited, Barnes & Noble. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to open this bad boy up. Hopefully don't cut into the screen. Alright. Gray styrofoam. Exciting. There it is. Oh, receipt. You guys don't need to see that. And there's the box. There it is. Whoa. Got some protective plastic around it. Pull that out. Get rid of the box. So there's that. Pretty fancy design here. There's the infamous N here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Alright, so let's open this thing up. Let's try to get this plastic off of here. If I can figure it out without damaging the box. Alright. Alrighty. And up goes the cover. And there we have it. That is one sexy machine. Check out the back here. Okay, so it looks like it has a little pull tab. Gonna pull that off. Broken the seal. And figure out how this thing opens somehow. Great. I love these puzzle box things that they do now. I mean, come on. Are you serious? Okay. There we go. Alright, so we have this little Nook box here. Looks like something pen or something. I don't know what that is. It says, welcome to your Nook. And there, it's very Apple-y, actually. You have your little Nook charger here. Looks like USB. There's your USB port. And your standard USB cable. Looks like just in... Yep, nothing spectacular there. Alright. So let's go on to the unit here. Looks like it's welded in. Let's see here. I don't want to break this. It may be like a giant iPod case where you bend it in the middle and it opens, but maybe not. Here, hold on a second. I do not want to break this thing. Boy, oh boy. Okay. Awesome. How in the hell does this come out? Oh my god. Okay, that can't be right. How does this come out? This is gonna be kidding me. There we go. Look. I had it. You saw it, people. Okay, there we go. Oh boy, what a pain in the ass. Alright. So, there it's free from that cage. One more freaking cage to go. My god. Oh, Jesus. Okay, that's a little frightening. Okay, there it is. The Nook. Alright. Let's pull off this. We're going to pull off the LCD cover. And I'm assuming this thing has a sticker or something on it, or is it live? This is very odd. Or maybe it's off. I mean, these e-ink things are... Fully charge your Nook before use. Oh, there it goes. It just went blank. I think I killed it. So was it on? That's weird. Okay, there we go. Your device is starting up. I'm assuming that's loading something. The screen down here is currently dark. There's a screen, but there's nothing. Takes a little while to load, as you can see. In the meantime, let's take a look at the unit itself. There's a power button up here at the top, chrome. These seem to be like locking mechanisms for the case, but also probably for any external case that you buy. Again, the N, and then the bottom we have, it looks like stereo speakers. It looks like a proprietary connection at the bottom, and a 3.5 millimeter phone jack. And there's the Nook screen at the bottom starting up. And there we go. Tap here to get started. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing of the Nook. I will go ahead and use this for a little while, and then I'll give you a comprehensive breakdown of my experience with this thing. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching.